Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard, The Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? It is time for another 30-second card in 5 minutes. Now, sometimes it's less, sometimes it's a lot more. You never know. In fact, I never know. So, what am I going to try to use today? Again, I never know. But I just finished the Kit Club video, and so I thought, you know what? I'm gonna leave these cardstock colors out, so I have that option. Boom, done. And I need to make a card for my dad, so I'm gonna use the Dad Fold It. And mine's a little different than yours because mine doesn't have the stitching. I know it's awful, but I'll get it eventually, the new one. I might use the pattern paper from the kit. I don't know, because I really don't know. I don't plan these, obviously. Now, if you've never seen one of these 30-second card videos, please, please, please go to the very, very first one. It was filmed over 12 years ago, which I can't believe. You'll see a lot less wrinkles then, but let me just say, it's actually kind of funny to watch. So please go see the the first one, because sometimes we'll get people comment, why are you rushing so much? That's the whole idea, okay? I'm trying to beat the mailman to the mailbox, okay? So that's the whole idea. So Kenny is standing by with his timers, and I'm gonna like crack my knuckles. Not that I really do that, but okay, take a deep breath. We always tell Liam, calm down. Okay, Kenny, my love, are you ready to start the game? He says yes. On your marks. Get set. Start the time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so first I already know I'm gonna make my background white. So I'm gonna grab the largest die in the set, which is this one. I'm gonna go a little bit under where it says place fold here, right? A little tiny bit under. This is going to be my card base, and I'm going to run this through. This says Dad, or this is the background to Dad. Now, normally I would make the next piece, this exact same one, to hide that fold. I would make it in the same color, but I'm going to go rogue, and I'm going to make it this color. So I'm going to do blueberry in that one, right there, and I'm just going to run that through ASAP as fast as I can. So this is the same one. It's going to go on top of the white. Normally I do the same color, but this time it's going to be different. Okay, so really quick, I'm going to add this as fast as I can. Okay, I'm going to add this right on top because it's going to be the exact same size. It's the exact same die. Now I'm going to get the next die. This is the shadow die, and I am going to grab, actually, not a pattern paper. I am going to use, hang on, because I want to use this one for the letters. So let's do the letters real quick now, because I know I want to do that one for the letters. So then I get to try to decide what color to do for the layering piece. Let's see. Okay, so now we have this one. We have our letters. Pop that baby out. Give me some. There we go. There we go. One more. Now yours is going to be a little different. Remember, you're going to have to die cut the stitching too to get the inside, even if you don't want the stitching. Now, this piece, dun, 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 where's my card base? Here it is. I'm going to do a lighter color. Let's do, oh, I need a red. Hang on. I need a red. I need a red. I need this one. I think this is Poppy. Poppy is gorgeous. Okay, so let's grab Poppy. Let's lay this down. Poppy, get it for my dad, Pop. But we call him, normally he's Papa, but well, I call him Dad, but my kids call him Papa. Okay, run him through, and the babies call him Papa. Okay, so now we have some color. I wanted to add a little bit more color. Okay, so let's add adhesive to the back of this. So I'm kind of thinking this is going to be a Father's Day card, because boom, how fast will this be, right? So I'm going to lay that down. Look how fantastic that looks. Now I'm going to lay these pieces down, and I could have added adhesive on the back, but these are kind of easy to add adhesive to, so it's not the end of the world. So I'm going to do D, and we're going to get that A. Now on your letters, you have the stitching, so you're going to die cut the stitching marks to get the inside piece to lay on top, okay? There is a video showing that. Okay, I'm going to add this one right there. This is going to be fast. Look how fast this is. Boom, there it is, right? Okay, so we need something else because, you know, we always need something else. So, ooh, and this confetti on here reminds me of these fun white epoxy squares. So I am going to add one of these to each letter. Look at this. Look how cute that is, just to add a little bit of fun, right? a little crooked. There we go. But see how it kind of coordinates with that confetti because it's like pretty much the same shape. Okay, and then we're going to add on the inside. Kenny, you better totally be getting ready because hello, this is almost done. We're going to grab this. I'm going to use the same block as my personalized stamp. This one says, what's this one say? Nothing beats celebrating you today. So that's perfect for my dad, right? Because it's Father's Day. Boom. Now we're going to flip this over and we're going to use our stop. That was fast. That was fast. I know this is going to be a record one. Watch. So here we have Dad, which it is, you know, it's for guys, so it's not going to be too like frilly, right? We don't want frills. Dad, open it up. Nothing beats celebrating you today. On the back, created by Stephanie with lots and lots of Diet Coke. Of course, right? You know me. Always have my drink. Okay, Kenny. I'm pretty impressed with myself on this one. So I don't know if you could ruin my day by saying it was anything better than like 3 minutes. Oh, it was even better than I thought. I was teasing when I said 3 minutes. Kenny, I even got stamping on there, by the way. So hello, look at that. I'm so proud of myself, I can't stand it. 3 hours and, 3 minutes. Sometimes they take 3 hours, don't they? What was it, Kenny? I forgot already. It was 3, I saw the 3 and I panicked. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Kenny, is that a record? I think it might be. I think it might be a record. Shirley will be able to tell me if that's a record. Shirley keeps track. My goodness gracious, my friends. That was awesome. I'm fast. 3 hours. Sometimes it does. I know. Come on. Let's be honest here. Sometimes it does take 3 hours, right? My friends, thank you so much. Thank you for joining me for another 30-second card in 3 hours. I keep saying 3 hours. Thank you for joining me for another 30-second card in 3 minutes and 45 seconds. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. And yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that. Cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like